You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these names once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more names from the NBA that everybody essentially mispronounces, make sure to stay tuned. We got them all at the end of the video. Tim Hardway Jr. How to pronounce his name? Tim Hardway Jr. Tim Hardway Jr. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.